Many famous companies pivoted before finding success. Instagram began as a location-based check-in app. Twitter evolved from a podcast platform. YouTube originally started as a dating site. These companies did not succeed because they stubbornly stuck to their original ideas. They succeeded because they listened to users and adapted. One of the most important insights in the lean startup is that speed matters, but not in the way most people think. Speed is not about rushing or cutting corners. Speed is about learning faster. The faster a startup can test assumptions and gather feedback, the faster it can move toward a product that truly works. Long planning cycles slow learning. Perfect designs delay feedback. Ego resists change. Lean startups prioritize learning velocity above everything else. To support this mindset, Eric Ries introduces the concept of innovation accounting. Traditional accounting focuses on revenue, profit, and costs. But startups often have little or no revenue in the beginning. Innovation accounting provides a way to measure progress when financial results are not yet meaningful. It focuses on learning milestones, customer behavior, and validated progress toward a sustainable business model. Innovation accounting begins by establishing baseline metrics. This means understanding how customers behave with the current product. Next, the startup runs experiments to improve those metrics. Finally, the team decides whether the rate of learning is strong enough to continue or whether a pivot is necessary. Progress is not defined by growth alone. Progress is defined by clarity and learning. Another key idea in the book is the concept of engines of growth. Eric Ries explains that startups grow in one of three primary ways. The first is sticky growth, where customers stay for a long time and retention drives growth. The second is viral growth, where users bring in other users through sharing. The third is paid growth, where customers are acquired through advertising and marketing. Each engine has different metrics and strategies, and startups must focus on the one that best fits their model. Trying to use all three at once often leads to confusion and wasted effort. Beyond techniques and metrics, the lean startup is also about culture. Eric Ries emphasizes the importance of creating organizations that embrace experimentation and learning. In traditional environments, failure is punished and mistakes are hidden. In lean organizations, failure is treated as data. Experiments are encouraged, and learning is valued more than ego. Instead of asking who is to blame, teams ask what can be learned. The lean mindset does not apply only to startups and businesses. It applies to personal projects, careers, and creative work. Content creators test formats before scaling.